If you want to see how I got these island twist, passion twist, Senegalese twist, or whatever twist you want to call it, two-strand twist, then stay tuned. I have you covered. This is the hair that I'm using and the products that I'm using as well. This is going to be a very detailed video, so if you want to learn how to do this, stay tuned. I have you covered. So the first thing you want to do is just section off the hair like I'm doing right here. And I'm just using my comb to detangle the hair first. And I'm just adding a little shine and jam. The first one that I'm doing is I'm going to do the box braid, and then we're going to start two-strand twisting the hair. But first, you want to get the hair, and like I did, and now it's like 1, 2, 3 sections. So you got 2 of the synthetic hair, and then you have 1 of the human hair, and you just want to start box braiding the hair into 3 strands. So that's what I'm doing right here. So after you get that done, you're going to be left with 3 strands of hair. So what you're going to do is take the human hair, and you want to split that human hair that you have into 2 to give it equal sides, because you want to start 2-strand twisting the hair at this point so you can start the twisting process. And I'm just showing you how I am doing that. And of course you can add some shine and jam to kind of keep that hair in the way. And I'm just twisting the hair, and then we're going to start adding some of the curly hair. And you can use human hair for this, or you can use synthetic hair for this. And the best hair that I've learned to use was some loose wavy hair, but this just some Kima hair that I had sitting around just to demonstrate how to do this. So yeah, so you just want to add that hair right in there like I'm doing right here, into the 2 sides in equal parts, because you're gonna take some of that hair out in a minute, but I'll be showing you that as well. And just want to continue to 2-strand the hair down about 3 times. Find 1 string of that hair, grab it, and we're going to get that hair out the way, because that's going to be the strings of hair that's going to be hanging out your 2-strand twist, or your Senegalese twist, or your passion twist, whatever you want to call it. And you want to continue to twist downward the hair, and then I'm going to show you how to grab the other strand of hair as well, because you want that out too. So yeah, so I'm just getting that hair out the way, and I'm going to continue the 2-strand twisting downward. Okay, sometimes whenever you're 2-strand twisting the hair, sometimes you have to borrow some hair from the other side to give it equal amount, because you want a uniform 2-strand twist whenever you're doing this. You want your island twist to look very good and uniform. So when you get towards the bottom, you want only about 1 inch or 2 inches left of the hair, and you want to start adding in the curly ends to get that curly end effect that you see. And I'm just adding in like I did the other hair, and just continue to 2-strand twist the hair around. You might have to do this a few times, but just stay motivated and positive. I promise you will be able to do this. So yeah, so you're just going to continue the 2-strand process downward, and I'm going to show you how to seal the ends. This is very easy as well. It may take you a few times to learn how to seal the ends, but you definitely can do it with a few practices. So yeah, just practice and keep doing it, and you'll get it. So you just want to grab a small piece of that hair, and you just want to take it around the twist, and you just want to give it like a loop, and you just want to pull it through. And I'll be also showing you later on in the video some different ways you can also seal the end of hair. Different ways that you can loop the hair with your fingers. So yeah, just give you a different options of how you feel comfortable with sealing the end. So once that is done, I'm gonna jump right into the other ways of twisting the hair. But I'm going to show you how this is looking first. And just kind of want to get your finger and kind of swirl it around just to kind of go with the curly wavy pattern. Okay, so I'm just giving you a close-up to show you how this one is looking. Yep, that's the first way to do the Senegalese island twist, bohemian curl, however you want to call it. Okay, so anyway, we're going to jump straight into the second way. In the second way, we're going to do just like the first way. We're just going to add a little shine and jam to the hair. And then you want to comb the hair through the detangle, split it off into 2 halves, get your hair, and you want equal parts on equal sides. And you want to grab the left side of your hair first, and you want to start twisting to the left. You see how I grab that hair, that human hair with the synthetic hair, and I'm just twisting to the left. And you see how I still got that hair on the opposite side. You see how I got it? You get it as close as you can to the scalp of the head. And you want to grab those 2 pieces of hair, the synthetic hair and the human hair. And you want to start twisting the hair to the left. Both ways going to be twisted to the left. And I got more videos on how to do this too with human hair as well. So after you get done twisting both to the left, you want to just take it and crisscross it over to the right, one on top of the other. And you just want to continue the 2-strand process. And I promise you, these are very secure. Don't worry about slippage or anything like that. And I will show you once I get done with this Senegalese island twist, I will definitely be showing you how secure it is. I'll be pulling on both of them so you can see how secure they are, and you don't have to be insecure about them slipping out. And also at the end of this video, I have a special bonus treat, and it's some footage of when I did someone's hair, and it turned out really pretty. It was half up and half down, and it had the island twist in it. So please stay tuned to the end of this video so you can see that as well. And okay, with this one, we at the end of the 2-strand twist, and you just want to kind of loop it around. I'm just showing you another way you can loop it around. I'm just looping it around that way, and then I'm gonna kind of use my fingers, kind of do like the scissors method, and you just want to pull the hair through. It's the same method of twisting the hair around the Senegalese twist. It just gives you more support to just pull it through. So you can watch this a few times if you want to learn this method of how to secure the ends as well. It's all up to you, but I like this method too. So yeah, I just switch it up here and there. It all depends on what you're comfortable with. So that is the finished look on that one. And I'm just going to take the clamp off so you can definitely see how that is looking. And you can put as many strings as you like, how full you want it. You don't have to just put 2. You can put 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. It's your style. And yeah, so right there I'm just showing you how secure it is. Both of them, either you're going to do the plaiting first or you're going to do the twisting first. So this third and final method is kind of tricky, but I'm going to show you how to do it if you want to learn this method as well. And right now I am just taking the 3 strands of hair, but I'm going to separate it into 2. So you just want to take a little piece of hair out that third one. So you got the human hair, got 2 human hairs, and then you had the synthetic hair. And then you're going to just take some of that synthetic hair out so you can start box braiding the hair. But you want a little piece out because you're going to use that piece to wrap that top part. So if you need to watch this a few times, just rewind it and see exactly what I'm doing. Some people are visual learners. So if that's you, then just like I said, just rewind it and you can get the concept. You can see how that part is left out. And of course, like I said, I'm going to use that piece that I left out to wrap the top of the 2-strand island twist. And yeah, so I'm just going around like you would, anything, and you want to like kind of flat twist it around. So you want to just take your fingers to kind of secure it to make sure that it's very tightly secured. And this style also, you don't have to worry about your twists coming down. They will not come down. You got it twisted and braided. So After you twist the hair, you want to take part of it to add with the synthetic hair, and you want to take the other half, and remember what I said, equal parts. You just want it as equal as you can get it. Add a little shining jam to this part just to secure it even more, and you just want to 2-strand twist the hair downward like I'm doing right here, and you just want to continue the process of feeding in hair like I was doing on the other ones. So yeah, so if you're liking this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and any other videos y'all would like to see or anything y'all would like to learn, just let me know. I would definitely make a video on how to do that, and don't forget to stick around to the end because I got some special footage like I told you, so you can see how it looks on a human head instead of just a mannequin head. So yeah, y'all have a great blessed day and just enjoy the rest of this video. All right, see you soon.